Now we will learn how to do the integration between two of the application. Okay, for this is Jira is a Atlassian product, and Atlassian is not making only Jira. There are other applications also like Fisheye or Slack. Other application is also there, so you can do easily integration between them. Just go to application. Under this application, in the application link, you can see how many applications links you have added. I haven't added anything. If you want Atlassian product, just add it, like Jira, Confluence, another Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, Bamboo, Crowdfisher, etc. If you want to use another application, what type of direction it's incoming or it's outgoing, and it's incoming, just click on continue. Here just provide the details and click on save. It will work. Okay, it's a DVCS account, so you can do the integration over here. If it's a Slack integration, all these details you can check it over there. Okay, you can do the integration simply. If the Confluence, in the future we will do the integration between all these things, then time I will show you the practical example. Another option, Jira software is there. Under the Jira software, if these are the features are available in the Jira, at the same time, if do you want to allow new sprint to be started when one is already in progress? If you want to provide, let me show you Jira test. Okay, this is the, in this you can see this is the backlog. In this backlog, let me show you, create a sprint, create, add this issue, start a sprint, start. Okay, go to backlog again, create a sprint 2, add the issue. I cannot start it. Why? Because one sprint is already inactive. How I can do that? Come here, click on parallel sprint. I have enabled the option. Come here, refresh the page. I can start a sprint. So the same time I can have the 2 sprint, you can see. So like this you can enable it. Relevant sprint, all these other options you can select it from the Jira software configuration. Thank you for watching.